Hello everyone, this is Dr. Megha. All the best for your exams. I'm sure you will do really well.
Dear dentist, I wish you all the very best for the upcoming NEET entrance exam. Believe in yourself, you will succeed for sure.
Everyone, I'm Dr. Naufal from CrownEdge Dental. So we're in the final lap. The next couple of days is the all-important NEET exam. So all I want to advise you is just continue revising. Do not let up. Don't do anything afresh. Because when you're revising, you feel like, oh my God, I don't know this topic. What am I going to do? Well, trust me, when it matters, you'll remember it. So just blindly go about revising it. Second advice I want to give you is to get some good sleep. I know you want to all spend sleepless nights, 20 hours, 21 hours in a day, just continue to revise, but please don't do that. You need your healthy mind and brain to tackle those NEET questions. And the third advice would be don't let self-doubt creep in, right? Don't think, have I prepared enough? Am I good enough? This is not the time for that, right? So work hard. Hard work always pays off, and don't worry, you're all going to do really well. So on a personal level, on behalf of CrownEdge, I would like to wish you the very best of luck. You're all going to do really well. You're going to smash it. Good luck.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Aishwarya Mahesh Kumar. We all know that you have all worked very hard for the exam. We at CrownEdge are wishing you all success. Go, get that dream seat now.
Hello everyone, I hope everyone is set for the NEET examinations now. Believe in yourself, stay very cool, follow your own instincts, and my best wishes will always be with you all. All the very best, do well.
Dear students, all the best for your exams. Hope you do very well and keep rocking.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Abhishek. I'm sure you guys are very stressed right now. It's just a couple of days to meet. So make sure you revise very well on the notes you have made, on the various points you have noted down. It's going to be very handy because those are the things that may help you recall whatever you've studied. So just make sure that you revise on all of them, and I'm sure you guys will do a great job. Make sure that you get a good night's sleep. It's extremely important for you to crack that exam, for you to remember whatever you've studied, for you to have a very good, fresh mind to solve those questions. So don't worry, I'm sure you guys have prepared really well, and just kill the exams, and I'll see you on the other end. Take care.
Hi all of you. I know it's very natural to be nervous before an exam like NEET, but just believe in yourself and